Oh my goodness, guys, this is how much YouTube paid me for 2K views on my video. This is mind blowing. Well, I might be bragging, but you are going to tell me if it is worth it, right? So I want to say to you, thank you for always watching this video and encouraging me, and thank you for always finding my video interesting, impactful, valuable. I mean, without you, I won't be standing here, right? I would have deleted their account, but you are still here. A big shout out to you. I mean, you still watching me. Guys, my video started gaining views recently when I hopped on this train. I wanted to experiment something, and indeed, I have a lot of things to share with you moving forward. So if you've not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? This is Build and Brand with Kui. Here I help YouTuber beginners to grow, build, and monetize, sharing strategies and mistakes to avoid. So if this sounds like something you enjoy, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and drop me a comment in the comment section of this video. So without much ado, let's head over to our YouTube studio and let me show you how much YouTube really paid me. Okay, so guys, I want us to go through the particular video I want to show you. That I mean it's amazing, right? So this is the video, right? This is a video that I want to show you how much YouTube paid me for this video. And this video is an AI video. Like you can see, it's an AI video because this is one of the things I also love doing, right? So I just wanted to create this as part of my content. I wanted to test and see what will happen if I post it on my channel, my growth channel. And of course, it peaked. Up till now, look at the video performance. The video performance, take note of the minutes. This is 5 minutes video. 5 minutes 42 seconds. 5 minutes on a dot, like 5 minutes video. So it's not like it's not that long, like it's not that, like I just wanted to follow the detailed, and tell you now realize that it is not how long that your video is that people watch, or it is not how long that your video is that your watch hours will increase. I want to show you something, just stick around. All right, so now this is the now ranking by views. Honestly, this video topped 1 of 10, 1 of 10, and the views is 2.4k views as of today, right? Now impression, the impression click-through rate. This impression click-through rate is, look at what YouTube is saying. YouTube says, well done, people on YouTube are choosing to watch this video more often than usual. That means there is something about this thumbnail. And if you notice, recently I started recreating, like maintaining the same style of thumbnail, because I feel like I noticed that people were really attracted to the concept of the thumbnail. Okay, so you now see YouTube now say, well done, people on YouTube are choosing this particular video. All right, so now let's see. Now the normal percentage of a good thumbnail, of a good click-through rate is 5% upward. Now this is 8.7%, very high as of today. So average view duration as of today is 1 minute 46 seconds. Right, so let's open and see something. Please guys, just stick around, because there's something you need to learn from this video. Honestly, look at the graph. The graph was so, like the views took off, like the views was so high, above my usual views on my other videos. Okay, so look at how viewers found this video. Traffic source, this is YouTube recommendation, was 1.5k, not was, is 1.5k views. So YouTube was actually pushing this video. Honestly, YouTube search, look at the number of people that search it. Direct or unknown, 118, other YouTube features and other. Now this is audience retention. This is a part that we need to really pay attention to. Now this part, if you understand how the audience retention works, you'll be able to use it to make changes to your next upload. All right, so look at it. They said 47%. Before, it's always the 30%. It's always 30%, but this one is 47% of viewers are still watching around the 0.30 mark, which is below typical. Okay, so look at top moment. Let's see the top moment. Look at the top moment. Top moment. So if you click this place and play, I want just follow it, because if you understand these things, the way this thing works, all right, you will know the part you are going to, adopt into your next video. So now if you click, okay, if you click this two, look at the two parts that is top. This two part, 30% retention above typical. Look at this part, 47 retention typical. Okay, now if you want to know what that part says, you just click on it and it will play. All right, so it's time playing now because my network is very poor. He said, nice work. This part of the video kept your viewers watching for longer than usual. That means in your video there should be that part that will make people to come back and replay. That makes the video very strong. And you need to understand your audience retention. Very, very important. So I hope this actually opened your eyes to know how to be checking your audience retention. Now, if you don't have any top moment, you need to put more effort to see that the next upload you put in something that is going to make people to be curious about what, want to watch more, want to pay attention to the more. So there was something about this particular video. All right, so if I play this, you're going to see my network is bad. Okay, so let me just leave it that way. Average view duration is average percentage view, 31.1% as of today. So this is audience retention. Maybe this will be another day, another video for us to explain in detail, but I don't want this video to be very long, because that's why I want to skip some parts and show you what I need to show you. So this is the reach, the impression this 5 minutes video actually gathered. Look at 21.7k impressions, meaning that this video was seen by 21.7k people on YouTube. That was above typical, like it was above. Now look at the how viewers find this video. Browse feature, suggested videos, YouTube search, direct and unknown. Now external site, I don't have no idea how this site came into, but because I've not shared the link, I've not shared this video link to anywhere. I stopped sharing my links long before now, because I understand the implication of sharing links. So this is WhatsApp, this is WhatsApp business, this is Chrome app. Now these are the YouTube search terms. This is the reason why I was talking. If you watch my previous video, you realize this video that I'm going to share on the screen here now. Now you realize that I talked about how you can use keywords the right way. This is example of it. These are the keywords, and then when people were typing in my video, were suggested alongside others. Do you understand? Now these are the content suggesting this particular video, and of course, so we now move to engagement. Guys, this video was the best video ever on my channel. The watch time that this video, 5 minutes video, gave me 72.5 watch hours. Guys, it was more than usual. Honestly, it was more than the reason, because people were watching and watching and watching. Do you understand? So this is beautiful. So now let's look at the audience. All right, so all of these things is to help us to know, how valuable this particular, like this your video is performing. You need to understand it. This video attracted new viewers a lot. That was 91.5% new viewers. So viewers also watch. So now they didn't only watch this particular video, right? They went on to watch other videos. Now ages. These are the ages that watches this video, and this is the top giraffes. Okay, thank you. A very big shout out to Nigeria. You are amazing. To all of you watching this video, you are the reason why this video is making waves. Thank you so much. Indian friends, my Indian friends, thank you so much. You are so amazing. Indonesia, thank you so much. You are so amazing. Thank you so much for being a part of this journey. All right, thank you. Keep supporting me, and we will grow, and we keep growing together. This video actually gave me 29 plus subscribers in 9 days. All right, this is 9 days. Now this watch hour, this unique viewers is 9 days, like 2.0k viewers, like unique viewers. That was amazing. People that came back and came back. That was amazing. Then this is in 9 days, 72.5 watch hours. So now the very big part while we are here, guys, are you ready for this part? Pum pum pum, let's go. Revenue. Breathe in, breathe in, breathe in, boom. Awesome. This is how much YouTube paid me for this video. Amazing, right? Now I was when I saw it, I was screaming because this is like the highest, like compared to other videos that I uploaded previously, this topped all of them. Yeah. Then I was so surprised. I was so surprised. So as of today, this is $4.67, like $4.67, and it's still loading because it does not update it as of today. All right. Now look at it. Look at it. Look at now this video. I remember I told you that I had a super gift. Okay, from this video, right? So now this video performance. This is estimated revenue 4.553 cents, and views. Revenue per 1K views, RPM. That is what YouTube is paying me per 1K views is 1.93 cents. That is what YouTube is paying me for. So this particular 4.5 is for 2.3K views. All right. So this is how much advertisers are paying. $3.10. Amazing. This is amazing. Okay, so guys, tell me, building on YouTube, creating videos on YouTube, burning the night, stress editing for a new channel, and trying to level up your content creation. Do you think this is worth it? Do you think it's encouraging? Well, I would say it is highly encouraging because we all know how hard it is to create a video that will make someone to stop and watch that video. It's not easy, right? So I'm encouraging you out there. Please don't stop creating videos. All right. So this is an encouragement for small content creators who just got monetized. Getting monetized is one thing, and getting the paycheck is another thing. All right. So if you are yet to be monetized, please take your time and build your channel. Don't be in a hurry to hit 4,000 watch hours. Take your time and build your channel for views. Keep developing your channel, because once you build your channel the right way, views will come naturally. Always remember that people are watching. I hope this video encourages you and gives you reason to keep creating. Drop me a comment to know what next to bring your way. And if you're looking for a community to grow together, you click the WhatsApp link in the description of this video and join us there. Only serious minded people. And until then, see you in the next one.